Man, all this walking's gotten me really thirsty.
Good thing you have a water bottle.
No, I don't have any more water.
Wait, I heard about this new app that can help you find public utilities like water fountains.
What's it called?
Waterworks. Hi, I'm Sampada.
I'm Krish.
I'm Victor, and we are the creators of Waterworks.
Inspired by the many road trips we've taken where there was no bathroom in sight, or hot days when we run out of water, we created Waterworks. Waterworks allows users access to a database of flagged locations of public utilities such as water fountains or bathrooms. Users can enter in utilities they have found to contribute to the database, like for example, a porta potty on those long road trips so families don't have to take detours. An additional goal for Waterworks is to support sustainable living. With the option to add water fountains users find, Waterworks supports refilling reusable water bottles instead of buying new plastic ones. Fully citizen-supported, Waterworks ultimately is an app supporting sustainability while solving an everyday problem at the same time.
In this project, we used React for the front end, JavaScript and TypeScript for the back end. We also used Firebase to create our database and Google Maps API for some UI elements. Finally, we used Visual Studio Code as our IDE and GitHub to collaborate. This is a demo of our app. So, in our app, you can start by adding two different types of entries, water fountain or a restroom. For example, we're going to do a restroom. So once we click the entry button, it brings us to this form. On this form, we can specify whether the bathroom is a porta potty, whether it stands alone or is a part of another building, its level of cleanliness, whether it has toilet paper, is it handicap accessible, and even if it has a diaper changing station. Once we click Add Entry, we can see that an entry has been added on the left side, and a ping has been made on the map to go along with it. This ping corresponds with the latitude and longitude locations shown here. In order to display the map, we are using the open source React Google Maps API. This API also gives us the ability to place marker components in order to mark the location of the restrooms. We also use the integrated geolocation JavaScript API in order to pull the user's location and pass it through the latitude and longitude variables.
Our project also allows our users to use a filter to see only the bathrooms or water fountains with their needs. If the user only wants to see bathrooms with toilet paper, soap, and a diaper changing station, they have the ability to do so. And this is shown in the website here, as they could choose which option they want to use. Here in the code is where the user clicks which filter he wants through the checkboxes. When he clicks on the button, as you see here, it calls a function called fetch filter data, bringing us to this part of the code. This part of the code applies which clauses based on the specifications of the users. The query is then executed with getDocsQ, and the documents that match the query are fetched from Firebase. After fetching the data, it is mapped over to extract each document's data and its ID.